Hey guys, Kevin here from AllThingsCoolReview. Today I'll be unboxing the Panasonic TM40 HD camcorder. So let's get to it. When you open up the box, the first thing on top should be a disc. It's the Panasonic HD Writer. It's an editing software. Next you have the owner's manual, warranty guides. Save the camera for last. Here we have AV cables to connect the camera to your TV to view your videos. We have a USB connector to connect the camera to your computer. A power cable for your charger. The charger itself. And the battery pack. Finally, the main part, the camera. Put that off to the side for now. Like I said, here's the cable. And this way. Looks like they have standard and component. I believe this is USB 2.0. with a mini USB for the camera. This is the power brick for charging. And the battery itself. Finally, we have the camera. Here it is. It's supposed to be the lightest camcorder. It records in full 1080p HD. It has 16 gigabytes built-in memory. Just where the battery goes. It's the viewing screen. That's it for now. This is just an unboxing. I'll do a review soon. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.